ongoing thing.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In the video today, I'll be talking about the Infinix Hot 8, and this is my hands-on and first impressions about the device. First of all, this is a smartphone from the Infinix company, which was released late last year, and this is the device. This is just what it looks like. On top here, there is nothing here, and then by the right side, we've got the volume rockers and the power button. Then under it, we have the speakers, the 3.5mm headphone jack, and the charging port. And then the phone features a 6.2 dot notch display, and this is what it looks like. Then let's check out other features of the phone. Let's go to the settings, system, about phone. So this is exactly it. This is the Infinix Hot 8 Lite, and the model is Infinix X650. It is the Android version 8.1.0, the last Android version, because we have the Android Pie now. And then this is all we need to know. This is how the interface is like. And then checking out the camera, let's see how it looks like. The camera is actually dope, so good. Here we have the video mode. Then there are different modes also, where we see the panorama and the night mode. And then aside that, we have the normal camera, the beauty camera, and then the back camera also features a portrait. So having said that, let's take a look at the back of the device. Here we have a 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel depth sensor camera and a quad flash. And then we have the fingerprint sensor, which is at the back, which offers you top security. And the device also comes with a 2.0 face unlock, which actually boasts of unlocking your phone in minutes. The device is also equipped with a 4G Lite network, and it is sold for 36,500 at slot stations in Nigeria. 36,500 at slot stations in Nigeria. This is actually how the menu bar looks like, and this is everything you need to know about the Infinix Hot 8 Lite. So if you would like to buy the device, you can buy it at slots for the price of 36,500. This is the end of the video. If you've not subscribed, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on post notification so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So if you've not subscribed and you don't want to miss out, subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Bye. Okay, in my new video, I'll be comparing the Infinix Hot 8 Lite and the itel S15 Plus. Let's check out the features between both phones, and then let's see how it looks like. And then this device here also boasts of a 5000 mAh battery, which can actually last you for 3 days of heavy use. So this is the end of the video. If you've not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification button so that you'll be told anytime I upload a new video. See you guys next time. Bye.